How to log into Instagram using Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm sure to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to log into Instagram using Facebook, the both Instagram and Facebook account must be associated. So first of all, launch the Facebook application for that and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on the settings option over here and then tap on settings over here, and after that tap on see more in account center. As you tap on see more in account center, you can see the option of logging in with accounts under connected experiences. So select on login in with accounts option. As you tap on it, you can see there are two options: allow all accounts to log into each other and choose which accounts can log into other accounts. You can simply select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on my profile, and then you can now toggle on or off, and especially if you want to log in, you can just toggle on the particular account to Instagram using Facebook. So now you can just go back to Instagram and use the same login credential as you use on Facebook to log in your Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.